No one can deny the allure of Tokyo nights. The city comes alive with neon lights, creating a different vibrant energy. Speaking of energy, today we're going on another photo tour of Akihabara, also known as Electric Town, where you'll probably see more tourists than locals. Then comes Ikebukuro, which has a reputation of its own.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening. If you can't already tell, it's about to be a night vlog.
Yeah.
We are here in Akihabara. Akihabara is popularly known for anime, manga, games, lots of electronics.
Yeah, so actually it's known as Electric Town, and they supposedly sell a lot of cheap electronics, so we'll see about that today. But we actually came here on the Tokyo Metro, and we actually got the 3-day Tokyo Metro Pass on Clue.com. So yeah, we actually activated that, so basically in the next 3 days it's going to be us just zooming around Tokyo in the Tokyo Metro and then the Toy
Subway.
Yeah, Toy Subway lines. We got the 3-day Tokyo Metro Pass on Clue. You're about to go redeem it. So this is one of the machines that's gonna find. It's gonna have the QR code on the machine. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and redeem the 3-day pass. Sent our ticket for Shafeen and I.
Nice.
All right. And these are all the lines you can use it on.
If this is okay, tickets are issued in order, one by one.
Nice.
Please not to forget to take your card.
That's it. And as we made our way down here, we actually passed by the Kanda River, which has this Marunouchi line train to go over. It looks so nice. So we got some photography in, and that's actually a nice train viewing spot. So.
We're just gonna go around Akihabara. This is our very first time, even though we came in 2019. We didn't make it here.
No.
This is our very first time. Lots of neon lights. We've seen a few maid cafes.
Yeah.
Very interesting, to say the least.
Very.
We're just gonna go around, see what photos we can take. Some, it might be a little bit sensitive in some areas, so we'll just see what we can find and take you guys along.
And might be a photography tour as well.
Yes. Why not?
Why not?
Well, that was new. Guy on a Harley with teddy bears. Big ones too, and small ones. Interesting.
Very interesting, yeah. It might be a wild night.
Yes, which we will not be a part of, but we will sure take in the views.
I think we entered a store that has all these plushies with the crane game.
The crane games that you never win.
That you never win, yeah. They got them everywhere, yeah.
You know what? But more than this, you will find a lot of recruiters for you to come with them to go to maid cafes.
Yeah.
I think the maid cafes are the thing here.
Yeah,
this is like one too many.
One too many, yeah. Oh wow, very nice.
Cool, right? I'm
Impressive.
improving by the night.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so night photography is a little difficult, right?
Yes, it is difficult, especially for if you're kind of trying it out for the first time or only done it a couple of times. You have to know your shutter speed, your ISO, your aperture.
Yeah.
Don't really like manual. I like aperture priority. However, when it comes to nighttime, you must turn it to shutter.
You gotta change some settings, yeah.
Be the cutest juice or milk carton or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we actually made it to the main street where I guess you do see things like that.
Some
I was not
unique
expecting
things.
that, yeah.
Me neither.
No, not at all.
The milk carton was crossing the street. Cute.
It was not jaywalking, it was crossing the street. Hopefully we get a photo ops here.
Yeah, I mean, there's lots of photo opportunities all over the place.
Yeah.
Like sometimes if you want to get like some unique photos, you might want to kind of get into those little alleyways.
Yeah.
You might find like a cute little neon sign or like a old Japanese store or something that's mixed with. We saw one with a torii gate, right?
Yeah, there's one with the tour gate.
Actually, that was a maid cafe, but it had a torii gate entrance. It's weird, but yeah, we're here.
Yeah. Line.
Show us the goodies.
Oh yeah. Like literally right. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. Like you never normally don't get a chance to get sharp lines near buildings because the common space is usually covered by security or whatever. But if you could actually walk up to buildings,
Yeah.
I mean, it's actually at the Tokyo Times Tower. So guys, we was kind of looking around. It's a whole bunch of anime related.
I actually like the
the
maid cafes
the
and all
maid
that
cafes.
stuff.
Yeah. It's a whole bunch of gachapons and
Just a lot of hobby shops.
Yeah.
But then they also sell like not hardware, but like home stuff, like wires.
yeah.
Like so many different things.
But for I guess for a tourist like us, possibly we won't be interested in stuff like that. But yeah, I mean personally for me, it's a pass, honestly.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it's nothing of interest to me. I know there's people that are totally into anime and there's Pokemon and all of that.
Yeah, but I also read online that
yeah.
you won't find a lot of locals here. This
Yeah.
is like you'll find lots and lots of tourists here.
Yeah.
So maybe I can understand what the allure might be, especially if you're like a diehard like anime fan.
Anime fan,
But
yeah.
like the maid cafe, like the soliciting, it's a lot. Like they're lined up.
Yeah.
So that's kind of like
Yeah.
weird for us, but like for us, like I think when we think of Japan, we think of like more traditional cultural experiences,
Yeah.
like outside, maybe more nature and all
Yeah.
that stuff. But it was nice to just come out here and the neon lights are looking nice and bright. So
Yeah.
that's the focus.
I feel like that's the highlight of it.
Yeah.
Because this is also a subculture. It's not part of the main culture. So when you see the manga cafes,
Manga
and,
cafes.
yeah, all of that, it's not truly representative of Japanese culture. It's only
Yes.
a subculture.
Yeah.
So you cannot say that it represents the entirety of Japan. No,
Yeah.
So because there's a certain group of people that do like stuff like this,
Yes.
and I'm not part of it.
Lots. Neither am I. But so many foreigners.
Yeah.
Like
a
going
whole lot.
also like going into like maid cafes. I guess if you just want to experience it once, you
Yeah.
can. But it's like save your money. Just
Yeah.
buy lots of mochi and like other delicious foods, some ramen.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna walk down, look at more neon
Yeah.
signs, try to get some more nice photos of these signs.
Sure.
I really love the
Yeah.
what is that, like a fuchsia pink
Yeah.
with the aqua and nice screen. It's very complimentary. Plus, I think you have like doormen standing there. They
Yeah.
have like security guards.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, like filming and photographing here perhaps tends to be a little bit more difficult because there's signs and you have to be respectful and there's like lots of things going on
Yeah.
that maybe people don't want you to know about. So
And also the girls too, right? So that's the reason why.
yeah, even the girls like they carry those no photo signs on them
Yeah.
as they're soliciting to
Yeah.
come into the cafe. So
Yeah.
it's quite interesting. Quick pit stop here at Tokyo Station. We still hadn't been here
Oh, all this time.
all this time. So I guess it
Yeah.
had to be in a night vlog. But it's nicely illuminated. It's still pretty dark, but still some illuminations. And here are some of the photos that we got.
So guys, we're here at Akihabara. It's actually only 5 stops away from where we're staying. So it's the 3rd largest station after Shibuya and Shinjuku. And actually 2 million people pass through the Akihabara stations every single day. And I gotta attest to that. We have passed through
Big crowds.
big crowds, yeah.
But this is the
Yeah.
first time we've actually gotten off the station to come here.
Yeah.
This is like, I guess you could call it also a big shopping and entertainment district.
Yeah.
Following along the same theme of Akihabara. Lots of anime and manga here, lots of animal themed cafes as well.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to say that if you guys want to go to an animal cafe, just make sure that it's ethical, do your research,
Yeah.
don't just, go in for the clicks and views and all that stuff.
Yeah.
It would be nice if you knew what you were kind of taking part.
Personally, I would just totally refrain from just visiting
Yeah.
any animal cafe at all.
Yeah, we did in 2019, but then we
and
realized
we have
how
gone-
stressed the cats were,
Yeah.
and then we were like, what are we
Yeah,
doing?
yeah.
Anyway, so we're here now. Akihabara is very popular for its maid cafes.
Yeah.
It's the opposite here. There are butler cafes,
Yeah.
kind of catering to the female audience, which is pretty interesting.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're here for some more neon lights, some more architectural photography, night photography, and hopefully we get to try out some halal dinner around here. I've seen a
There's
restaurant. Hopefully it's not fully packed, like everything here,
As
but
the reviews say, yeah.
yes. But yeah, let's hope we get to have some dinner around here as well. So we've gotten a few interesting shots.
Yeah.
What I will say is we didn't see a lot of tourists, at least
No.
what we consider tourists, I
Yeah,
guess. But this area seems a little bit more grungy, a little bit grittier.
Yeah. It
And
does.
there are a lot of like security looking like people, but it's also solicitors for the butler cafe thing. Quite interesting.
Yeah.
Feel a little bit of you shouldn't be here types. I mean, we're here. But yeah, we've got some nice shots. I really liked all the neon signs, and actually there's like a few streets and alleys with like signs all the way down, which is very nice. And yeah, we got some cool shots. And now we are looking for a restaurant.
Yeah.
We've made it here to the Aliyah Halal restaurant. Possibly the only halal restaurant in Akihabara. Maybe there's other ones, but this one is super popular.
Yeah, it's a Chinese.
It's a Chinese halal restaurant, so lots of reviews online, really good stuff. But the menu is all in Japanese, so Google Translate comes in handy. They are going to be closing down in an hour, so we want to be respectful and do this as fast as possible. We'll show you our food when it gets here. So we got beef fried rice and some beef dumplings. Since it's halal, we went for the beef. But the beef fried rice is really tasty.
It is.
It's super flavorful. So this is like a hit.
Yeah, it is.
We didn't have much expectation for the food. We just kind of came here. We're like, as long as it's halal. But first dish is definitely a must-have if you come here. Present to you
a massive
dumpling.
what looked like a couple of pieces. The thing came out to
Be one big fat. It's like half of my face.
It was not expecting it.
Ooh, it's so big. This is gonna be hard. Are you serious? I don't know how to. Oh, okay. Oh, it's filled with beef. How do I? Okay. I'll just do this. Over here shredding the dumpling. Let's see how it tastes without soy sauce. Flavorful. Although it's a little bit on the fatty side. You can kind of taste the beef fat. But it's nice. It's like chewy. It is filled with like a patty. But like a big patty of a minced beef.
minced.
It's got lots of garlic, lots of ginger in it. So it's very flavorful. But I think I would definitely put some soy sauce on it and have it. we're back out here on the streets.
Yeah.
Dinner was good. Service could have been better, but yeah, we're
Yeah.
grateful for.
Yeah, but gonna call it a night. Thanks for following along, guys. And remember, wherever you go,
Don't forget to wander.
we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Bye. That's when you know, folks. We are here at the Akihabara station, which is popping at 11 p.m.
Yeah, we actually found ourselves in the middle of a whole lot of drunk people.
Yes.
Yeah,
We
so
haven't seen this many drunk Japanese people in all of like 2.5 months.
literally like 90% of people around us, they're all hammered.
Yes.
Yeah. Like I mean, to the point of not being able to walk straight. So yeah, we found ourselves at 11 o'clock
Oh man.
in this part of corner of Ikebukuro. But yeah.
Don't worry, no one's grunting or screaming. Yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah.
Like we didn't expect. We are shocked by Akihabara. We didn't
Yeah.
know there was gonna be like
Uh-huh.
this lively, gritty, grungy.
No.
You
It
know,
really,
just
I did not expect that,
Yeah.
that at all. No.
quite different.
Yeah.
But we had fun nonetheless. Had good dinner. And we're heading home.
All right, catch you guys next video.
Bye.
Bye.